Hello! Good day to everyone. This is Kuya Gibo ng Math Minute Classroom, and in this video, let's talk about fractions. Paano nga ba ituturo ang fractions sa mas masaya at mas madaling paraan gamit ang mga math manipulatives? So this time, let's talk about fraction strips. Alam nyo, ang fraction na lesson, isa to sa mga ayaw na mga bata. Siguro dahil hindi talaga nila gets ang konsepto ng fraction at kahalagahan nito sa buhay nila. But this time, using fraction strips, ipaintindi natin sa mga batang ito ang kahalagahan ng fraction sa buhay ng tao. So this time, samahan niyo ako gamitin ang fraction strips sa pagtuturo ng lesson na fraction. So ano nga ba ang ibig sabihin ng fraction strips? Kapag sinabing natin fraction strips, this is a kind of math manipulative which provide a visual representation of fractions. They are simply rectangular bars of strips that show a whole or parts of a whole. Mainam na gamitin ang fraction strips sa mga lessons pertaining to, una, modeling fractions. We can also use this in illustrating fraction sizes like 1/4 and 1/2 and other fraction sizes. Pwede din natin gamitin to for the concept of equivalent fractions, adding and subtracting fractions, and of course, comparing decimals and percentages. Now, simulan natin with modeling fractions. Let's illustrate 1/2 and 1/4 as parts of a whole. Now, considering meron tayong 1 whole here, if we divide it by 2, that will give us a fraction of 1/2. Now, so comparing 1/2 to 1 whole, gan lang siya kalaki. That is 50% of the 1 whole. Now, if we divide 1/2 by 2, that will give us a fraction of 1/4. So, comparing 1/4 now to 1/2 and 1 whole, ganito lang siya kaliit. So that's how we use fraction strips in modeling fractions. Pagdating naman sa addition of fractions, let's have 1/3 plus 1/3 and another 1/3. So dahil similar fractions ito, i-add lang ang numerators. That will be 3/3, which is also equal to a whole number 1. Now, for equivalent fractions naman, considering meron tayong 1/4 plus 1/4, so adding the numerators, that will give us 2 and denominator of 4. So 2/4 is considered as equal to 1/2. So we can say that 2/4 is equal to 1/2. O diba, ganun kadaling gamitin ang fraction strips sa pag-aaral ng fractions. Can you imagine kung yung mga students natin inside our classrooms ay gagamitin nito at mabivisualize sila kung gaano kalaki, kaliit ang fractions na yan, siguradong madali nilang maiintindihan ang concepts ng fractions. Muli, this is Teacher Gibo at see you next time.